Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Sky if you're new here, and today we're gonna do a soft glam look. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. New channel in the works or whatever, so you know, just trying to build a strong community and grow together. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start off with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Now that our face is primed, we're gonna go in with our Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. It really doesn't matter what shade. This is just so that we can kind of give us a flawless effect. So after putting on our Easy Loose baking powder, I'm just gonna cover up these little blemishes I got here. I need to figure out what I want to do on this channel. I feel like you guys kind of gotta, y'all lead the way and I'll just deliver. But I was thinking I need to do more hair because I've been doing my thing lately and I feel like more hair videos for sure. I'm no makeup expert, but you guys always seem to ask me about my makeup. So I could do like a foundation, girl next door look, keep it simple, my everyday glam. Like you guys just tell me what you want from me. By the way, now I'm gonna use this Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear. I'm the shade 470 Suede. Honestly, I really love that Kosas foundation and I'm running low in it, so this is also like a holy grail of mine, this Lancôme. I've been wearing this one for a very long time too, and I feel like it matches my skin pretty well. So I've been thinking like I also want to do like more fashion because I had no sense of style and I think I got it together. So I want to do like more fashion videos, so I might record a fashion video after this, maybe like what I wore this month, or should I do festival looks? Like what do you guys think? Because I kind of feel like I did my thing with the outfits this month. So I'm kind of obsessed with this look by itself, but we're going for soft glam. So we're gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, Contour and Conceal Stick in shade C18. So I feel like I didn't give you guys the tea on Coachella, so I went. It was so much fun. I worked the first weekend, so it's kind of hard for me to go to the actual festival and see like all the people that I wanted to see because I was rushing, and usually the first weekend, if you've never been, is like all about the parties. So I went, I had a blast. I stayed at the Revolve Hotel. Revolve did, like literally they did that. They know how to throw a party, so shout out to them. They had an amazing festival lineup and your girl was on it. Yes, I DJ'd, which was really, really cool. Now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution Blender Ultra Matte Bronzer, and I'm just gonna set the contour a little bit. You wanna go on really light-handed, if I could open it, bruh. Go in and do this really, really lightly. So basically my advice to you is if you get too heavy-handed with anything, you can just go over it with your foundation brush, like the brush that you applied your foundation with, and it just kind of like erases it. It's kind of like a magic eraser. So boom. Guys, I got a new concealer and I'm really excited about it. It's the Dior Forever Skin Correct. I used it yesterday. Bomb. I am the shade, what shade am I? 4W. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I link all this stuff down below for you guys. But back to Coachella. Your girl was booked and busy, okay? I worked with Revolve Festival. I also worked with Ray-Ban, and that was really cool too. It was like a lot of running around. So I had to make sure that I was fulfilling my deliverables. So I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna go in with my Kosas. Actually, even though we're going soft glam, I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation, concealer here and here too. You know, just have it like looking a little bright. And then I put this Kosas in the shade 6.8 in the middle. And then I'm just gonna buff that out really quick. So I'm gonna use this airbrush concealer brush that I got from Sephora many moons ago. Under your eyes are so sensitive, you wanna lightly buff out the concealer. I got the One Size translucent powder, and this is the GOAT. I saw Aina talk about it on her like burner TikTok, and I just feel like I'm never gonna look back. So shout out to Jackie, she be knowing. So yeah, basically I was running around a lot during Coachella. It was like basically running back and forth, trying to make sure that I made all the brands that I worked with really happy, and despite anything that went wrong, I tried to make sure no one knew. So you basically want to move the concealer in a upward position so it looks like you snatched your eye up. Coachella was lit. I think my best Vegas set that I've played, my best set that I've played was in Vegas during, was it Grammys? Yeah, Grammys, a couple weeks ago. That was my, one of my favorite sets. I had it rocking. I was playing everything. So now we're gonna go in with the Tresluce, the I Am palette. And we are going to use the color Unica. Okay, I'm lying. We're gonna use this color Resilience. I like it. That's the vibe. And we're just gonna put this in our crease. Okay, so I decided to go in with Ginger from Jackie Aina's palette just because it's a color that lives in my head rent free. If I had one brush to choose to do my makeup with, all of it, it would be this one. I don't know why. I feel like it's just like, the bristles are soft. It just hits, bro. It just hits. I have a trip to New York, hopefully. Hopefully you'll see this after I'm there. Mother's Day is this Sunday, so I might be surprising my mom. What else do I have going on? I have Billboard. That's right, your girl's gonna be DJing for Billboard. I'm really excited. I'm opening up for some really big names, so I'm hype about that. I kind of wanted to look for glam out there just because it's nothing like having someone else do your glam, but then it's also like, damn, do I really want to trust somebody? Like, I don't do a bad job. So next, I'm gonna grab this brush and I'm gonna like make the end of my eye, like the V shape of my eye brown. I'm gonna make it a little dark and then we'll go from there. So you can use the Jackie Aina palette, you can use the I Am palette. There's two really good browns. Let's use the Alma and the Tresluce. I'm just gonna like draw like a V and connect my eye here. It looks messy, don't worry, we gonna pull it together, okay? You know what's so crazy? Like, what would you be doing if you guys weren't watching me? Like, I wanna know what you guys do when you do your makeup. Like, cause when I do my makeup, I listen to podcasts, I listen to music. Like, this is like my music time. I listen to podcasts and I listen to music. That's like my time. I'm gonna go back in to the Jackie palette and grab Ginger, and I'm gonna go back in and like buff the new color that I use, that Alma color from the Tresluce palette in, and just like kind of merge them together like that. What do we think? Okay, so now I'm back in a Tresluce Tres Reinas palette this time, and I'm gonna use the color Estrellas. So I didn't use this the other day. This one's a little more yellowish, but hey, we're gonna try it. And remember, if you have hooded eyes, you can just like put it right before the hood starts. Like, don't go up too high. I relax my eye, I look at where it falls, and then I'm like, okay, I could go up a little bit higher. And then I'm gonna probably go back in with that V again, with that dark color that I use, that dark brown, and just like outline it again, because you want it to look seamless. It's supposed to like, it's basically art, okay? So basically, this is what we're looking like so far in the eyes. I'm probably gonna just do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll come back, we'll chat some more, and on to the next step. Okay, so the brows are brown. I'm gonna brush away this fake, or whatever we want to call it. I feel like I left it on for way too long. Then we're gonna contour, and you want to do this gently. Let me not be so heavy-handed. So like, as you can see, the lines are a little bit harsh with the concealer. You just want to go in with your foundation brush, and it kind of erases it a little bit. We might have to go back over the contour, but that's okay, because we don't want the lines to be too rough. But I'm gonna go back in with my eyeshadows, and I'm just gonna like do the same thing that I did on the top to the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my Makeup Revolution contour conceal stick, and I'm just gonna make 3 small dots here, here, and then maybe I'll do double that. And then I'm gonna do it here. And I wanna catch it before it dries, so I'm gonna buff it out with this brush. I still love this contour brush by Fenty. I love beauty, so here I am, you know, creating content for you guys, and just, I don't know, but like, I don't know, this is like a place where I feel like I learn in YouTube University, and I learn so much from so many other creators. And like, most of the questions on my Instagram is like, what happened to your YouTube, blah, blah, blah. So here we are, we're back, and I feel a lot more confident in talking and just being myself and being authentic and true. I also realized that this is not a place where I have to be perfect. Like, haters gonna hate, okay? But I am just trying to do this, so I feel like I need to develop like a really good schedule for creating videos and stuff. So I'm thinking like, maybe I knock out 2 videos in one day, and then also like creating original music, right? Like, I toyed with that, and I kind of like let that go, and I feel like, I don't know why, but here's the beautiful thing about life. You can always revert back. You can do what you want. And for a while I got in my head about music just because I know so many people in the music space, and I just like didn't want them to think I was like infiltrating. Will you? Ooh, I love the way I did this side. Or just like overstepping my bounds, you know? So, but everyone starts somewhere. Everyone does what they want. Like at the end of the day, you get one life to live, so live it up. I've been taking acting classes. Like I've taken some acting classes. I haven't been taking them. I've taken some. But like these are all things that I'm just discovering, and it's like life is a journey, you know? It's okay to like try new things, and I feel like the beauty in trying new things is learning what you like and what you don't like. And you'll never know if you don't try. You see? So yeah, work in progress, baby, work in progress. You could do it all, okay? So now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 4, and I'm just gonna like warm my face up. But you wanna go and do this with like the lightest hand ever. If you want the light to hit like your forehead, you could go in with concealer here. You can go in with concealer down your nose. Yeah, we be busting out magic tricks. Call me a magician. I am going to put on some blush, so let's get our blush. Actually, I changed my mind, so I forgot to tell you guys I got the Fenty Kilowatt liquid highlighter. It's the shade Honey Haughty. See, I kind of OD'd. Why do I be ODing like this? It's not even the right brush. What are you doing? It's kind of harder to maneuver over powder, so I probably should have just did it over the contour stick before putting the powder on. Now we can go in with the blush. So for blush, I'm gonna use the NARS Savage, and I'm gonna mix that with my girl Pat McGrath because I really, really like her blushes. I really do. Any motion you do, you just wanna drag it up because it kind of gives you like a face lift, like a snatched look, you feel me? I put it on the tip of my nose. I just feel like the blush makes your face look so awake. Like, look at that. And what I like to do is whatever color I put on my nose, I will put it under my brow bone. So for lips really quickly, I'm gonna put on this Kinship Summer Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. I've just been kind of having this on the go. I also wear the Laneige a lot too. I just kind of want to prep my lips before putting on lip gloss. And then we're gonna go in with lashes. Okay, so I've been doing that method where you like lift your eyelash, where like it makes you look like you kind of got a little eye lift, and it's working, okay? So you have to kind of draw in the space where you don't put the lash down. And I'm like, keep it simple, stupid. Me to me. And then you can kind of go in tight line. It's a little harder to tight line, but be very careful. By the way, I've been really liking this Giorgio Armani Smooth Silk Eye Pencil. I'm very particular about my eye pencils and them not running, and I like this one a lot. So now I'm gonna go in with my holy grail, the Hourglass Unlocked. Honestly, I'm basically a brand ambassador for them, except they're not paying me. If you guys have any outfit inspo or any like street style references that you guys like, let me know. I know the girls go on Pinterest sometimes. I'm on Pinterest too. Send some inspo my way, like performance looks, and yeah, I would say street style, because I got some appearances I'm gonna make or whatever. So now that we've got our eyes together, let's do our lips. So now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe pencil in the shade Trendsetter, and I'm just gonna line my lips and do the same thing to the top. So you can literally take a brush if you want and ombre that out a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with Trendsetter. I should probably sharpen it next time. I need to update my DJ library a little bit. So if you guys have anybody that you've been listening to, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you have like anybody that's like from your hometown that, you know, you vibing with, that you think is up next, let me know. Not someone calling me. Oh, I went in with this Boxam, I think this is Boxam Gloss, or this might be actually Sephora Gloss Boss in the shade 1. And glossed it up. Hold on, I'm gonna take this. All right, you guys, so basically this is the look. I have my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. What does it say? Party all night, stay all day. I know that's right. Anyways, I'm gonna spray this all over my face. And you guys know normally I'll like go back over it with powder, but today we switching it up. I'm gonna just leave it here how it is, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed glamming with me. If you guys have any questions, any requests, you want to help me with my outfits, help me with my music, help me get my life together, leave suggestions, leave inspo, leave it all down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, this is still drying, but thank you guys so much for watching. It's always a pleasure when we link up. It's always so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the glam. Let me know if you recreate these looks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.